Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Jevil from Deltarune. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're just going to draw in two curves going down. So once we have that going down, just kind of from the corner, just kind of go up and draw a little bit higher arc. And go straight up. And then let me shade this in real quick. And I don't know anything about this character. I know you guys suggested it. It looks kind of cool, so that's why I'm drawing it. Okay, and then from there, just gotta be one line in the middle. So right in the middle of the eye, I'm just gonna drawing one line. I'll make it a little bit thicker. So if you're drawing with pencil, you can just draw, just kind of shade it in. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw his mouth, so right underneath. So you can start out in the middle, just kind of come down, you can make a little point. And then this is gonna curve up to the corner of the eye. Okay, and then once you curve to this point, we're gonna come back down and just gonna be one big smile from both corners. Just gonna come down all the way around. And then on the corner, we're gonna draw a little line here. So it makes it look like smiling a little bit more. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw in his teeth. So just gonna be one. So it's gotta be symmetrical, so one on each side, and then I'm just gonna draw in one more. So just kind of come down and just kind of curve it back up. Alright, so those are his facial features, and then now I can fill in the face. So the face is just basically a circle. Sometimes it's a little bit easier if you just draw like a bracket like this first, kind of going around on the side. And on the bottom, we're just gonna follow the mouth shape here. So keep it as round as possible. And then for the top, we're gonna come up and we're gonna make it a little bit flatter. And then curve it, close it. Alright, and then for his ear, just come out to the side here from the eye. Just kind of curve up and then curve back down. Okay, so come across here, you make a little point, come up and curve back down. And let's add in a little bit of detail, just one line right on the top here. Okay, so let's see, from here, let's finish up his hat. So we're gonna go up from the middle. Just go straight up, and we're gonna do each side first. So this one's gonna go slant out and then come back down. Okay, right around the ear. And then we're gonna start back down here, right behind the ear. Go up toward that corner, but don't connect it. And then from here, just somewhere, just kind of go to the corner. And then we're gonna draw in that little ball. Okay, so this little line right here makes it look like it's folding down. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So same thing, and this time I'm going to make it go up slightly. Go up that side, and then go back to the ear again. Curve up. Then from here, just kind of go to the point. And then same thing here, just kind of one circle. Okay, so yeah, nice and simple. So let's move on down to the body, and for the neck area right here, we can start in the middle and curve out and then come back into the face. Okay, and then we're gonna start here, curve out, and then you can start right around here. This time it's gonna be a little bit straighter because we're seeing it from the side. Same thing here. And again from the side of the face, a little bit straighter, connect that. Alright, so let's move on down to his body, and his arm's gonna be in a slightly different position, so let's draw in this side first. So come back down to the middle. So he's got a little cape here. So this one's gonna go out right underneath that. And then this one's gonna go up. I know it's a little bit weird right now. Okay, but we're just drawing half of it. And then from here, we can go straight down. Let's go in the middle. And then let's draw in part of this side first. So this one, we just kind of slant out. And we don't have to finish that curve. I just want to draw this so we can finish up the tummy. Okay, so then for his tummy right here on the side, curve. Just kind of come across to the middle. So that's half of it. And then same thing here. So just kind of curve it and just go up. Okay, so now we have his tummy, and then for his clothing here, we can add in some detail. Just add in a little angle. Keep going and then all the way up. Alright, so let's finish up this, this side of the cape first. So we're going to extend this line slightly. We can curve it up. And then we'll come back up to the shoulder right around here. And curve this one down and just kind of curve it out the other side. Just go up and connect to the point. Alright, and then for his arm right here, let's draw a little angle. That's gonna be his wrist area, his sleeve. And then for his hand, we'll just keep it simple. One curve for the thumb and then come back here. Just curve all the way back. Alright, and then on the other side, it's gonna be holding this Reaper thing. So we're gonna come out here, just right on the corner here. Just gonna draw a little egg shape. That's gonna be his thumb. And then come back up here, we're gonna curve all the way around back to his thumb, so that's gonna be his hand. And then we're just gonna connect that. So that's gonna be his arm. Okay, and then before we can draw in that, let's draw in the finish up the legs first so we know how long this thing can go. Alright, so back to the middle, I'm gonna draw his pants right in the middle, one curve, and then come out here to the side slightly, come straight down. And then we'll come back up here to the hip. Just kind of slant it down and then close it off. So slant down, close it off. Okay, so very simple. So now for his shoes, we're just gonna continue with this line here. Just kind of come down. Right here, curve. And then now we're just gonna draw in one big dome shape here. And then one line straight across. And then come down and add one more section just for the sole, just a little bit of detail. And then one line across here on the shoes. Okay, so let's draw the other side. It's gonna be the same thing. Come down, curve, and then one big dome shape. Come across and just close it off. Add one section and then one line on the shoes. And then let's try his tail. So his tail is gonna be back here. So we can start up here so we can't see it. We're just gonna go from here. Just gonna curve it. And again, it doesn't have to be exact as long as you have a tail somewhere, right? Just kind of go behind that. And then now I'm just gonna draw another line. And I'm just gonna try to taper it toward the end so it's a little bit skinnier. And then once you have that, we're just gonna go out and then just close it off. Very strange looking tail. Alright, so now we can come back and finish up his weapon here. So right underneath his hand here, I'm just gonna draw one line all the way down to where his foot is. And then I'm just gonna give that some thickness here. Close it off. And then I'm gonna continue with these lines. It's a little bit wobbly, but it's okay. Close it. And then it's gonna be a bunch of lines going at a slant. Right, and then for the blade itself, start on the top. Just kind of curve down. And then we're gonna go back up. to the handle. And that is it for this Jevil from Deltarune. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.